Naghahanap ka ba ng aesthetic clinic na mura yet high-tech na pwede din sa buntis? Naku, kung isa ka sa mga nag-transform sa journey ng pagbubuntis mo, ay dito ka na magpa-pamper. Girl, dito mo malalaman kung gano'n nakakailangan ng atensyon ng skin mo. Aba, paano mo malalaman kung di mo papanoorin ito? Only here at Chic Aesthetic. This is only located at SK Complex, Bahada, Davao City, and it opens every day from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. In preparation to our gender reveal this week, nag-avail na ako nitong Hydra Facial that is worth 1,500 only. And before we undergo the procedure, kailangan muna natin magpa-consult at sinabi ko, syempre nabuntis ako. And dito din natin malalaman kung pwede ako sa Hydra Facial through skin test machine. O, diba? Ang high-tech. Now, dito sa camera filter sa baba natin makikita kung sensitive ka, anong skin type ka, and if fit ka to do this procedure. Now, let's start with the skin moisture. Nasa 38% ako, in which mababa siya sa standard na 50%. So, kailangan more water pa ako. Next is sebum, yung kulay dilaw, yan yung oil ng face ko. And the more oily ang face, mas prone sa acne and pimples. Kaya avoid lang ng fried at sweets. And here comes the acne. Oh my God, ang dami. But of course, mostly sa pagbubuntis yan. OMG, di rin magpapatalo yung blackheads, ano? Well, very common talaga yan right after rhinoplasty, kaya sinasuggest sa amin na magpa-facial right after the healing procedure. For the skin protection, this is my face when I'm young and when I get old. O, diba? Tawang-tawa ko dyan. So, how much more pag hindi natin nalagaan yung face natin, diba? So, the general report says, yung mga red lines are in need of action. As you can see, may isa na akong na-maximize at dalawang upcoming. So, I badly need to do the procedure na. It also says na oily at very sensitive yung type of skin ko. And if you want copy, of course, you can just scan the QR code. Amazing, right? At syempre, dahil pinanood mo tong video na to, mamimigay tayo ng discount. Just use my code MARICAR10 and you can avail 10% less on all services until May 10, 2025. And of course, magpapahuli ba yung mga lucky commenters and lucky sharers natin dyan? Leave a comment here at share it in public dahil mamimili ang Chic Aesthetic ng 10 random lucky winners na mananalo ng tumataginting na worth 100 pesos of GCash. O diba, nanood ka lang, nag-comment at nag-share in public, may pera ka na? Sana all!
Sana all!
Super happy ako dahil sa pagpapamper ko na to ay makapagbibigay tayo ng saya sa mga nanonood lang ng video natin, ano? By the way, they also offer underarm laser, nail gel and nail art, tapos may slimming machine pa sila. Naku, i-avail ko talaga yun after ko manganak. Actually, may tweaking procedure pa sana to kasama sa scrape. Kaso takot talaga ako sa thing na yun, kaya pinaskip ko. So now we're finally moving to the last part. Antayin lang ma-dry itong face mask while nakababad sa cold steam. And they're really using authentic product and machine for the procedure kasi alam nyo naman kung gaano ako kasensitive. At nakita nyo din yan sa result kanina. Kasi if not, I know magre-react kaagad yung skin ko, girl. Kung hindi yan mangangate, mga half day, nasa dalawa lang yan. After all throughout the procedure, I feel beautiful again at ang gaan sa face ko, girl. Parang ang sarap mag-extend. And now while waiting kay Habi, kasi siya yung susunod, you can just have snacks here. Candies, chocolates, water, tea, coffee. May wifi na din so hindi ka maboboard. And those are the machines I cannot wait for. Hindi pa nanganganak pero nasa isip balik alindog na kaagad. And now it's Bobby's turn. Ang inavail naman ni Bobby is carbon laser that's worth 2,000 pesos. I know you're very familiar with this procedure kasi very common to sa mga artista. At habang may discount pa kayo maa-avail, i-avail nyo na. Super mga si Bobby sa experience na na-OJ ako kasi sabi niya mas flawless pa daw yung skin niya sa akin. Well, I cannot deny the fact. Kasi sa day one look niya ngayon, very refreshing talaga yung atake ng mukha niya. Kaya tuloy excited na lalo kami sa gender reveal. And before finally leaving, naka-avail pa nga ng Lucky Charm. Thank you!